Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use NVIDIA's chat with RTX. So let us jump straight in. Of course, you want to jump into nvidia.com and you can see over here on our homepage, right at the top, we have solutions. Now, once you get into solutions, there's a bunch of things you'll see here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to look for the generative AI. Now, it'll take you to this page here, and here you can learn everything you need to know about their generative AI. Now you'll see right at the top over here, there are a few options. And once you go to software, you'll see AI Enterprise Suite, and we're going to run into that trial. Now this is where you actually get going. We have our collections here, and we can go down and you can see everything that you need to know about what NVIDIA is actually offering. So you can now also choose your desired lab to get started. And once you've done that, you'll have to now install it. Now here are some instructions or some guidelines. So you need to have an RTX 40 series or a 30 series GPU with at least 8 gig of VRAM. You also need 16 gig of system RAM and then 100 gigabytes of disk space. And you need to be running Windows 11. So no, it will not unfortunately run on Windows 10. You'll then have to download the Chat with RTX installer straight from the website, as I had just shown you over here. You can then choose which bot you're going to be using, and it'll take a while. It's 35 gigs, so it's quite large. Once you are finished, you're going to right click and extract that, and you're going to look for the setup. Now, of course, the setup will run through and you'll be able to use it. So now, before you begin with the installation, you'll have to figure out where you're going to keep it. Again, you need that 100 gigabytes of disk space. And as you go through this, it'll take a while, and then if the installation fails, you can simply rerun the installer, choose the same location for the data as you have before, and then the installer will resume where it actually left off, so it won't start again. Once you're done, you'll have to get a shortcut onto your desktop, and here, once you're in, you'll create a folder where you'll store your data set. You will also have to note your location, as you need this point to chat with RTX towards that folder. Once you're in with chat with RTX, you will have to note the location, as you'll need to point the chat with RTX towards that folder. It does support TXT files, PDF, and doc files. So you'll open a chat with RTX and select the pen icon and the data set section. Then you'll navigate to the folder where you stored your data and you'll select it. In the chat with RTX, you're going to select the refresh icon in the dataset section. This will regenerate the model based on the new data that you've input. Now, if you want to refresh the model, you'll have to add a new data set to the folder of each different data set. And there you go. That is pretty much a crash course on how to get going with NVIDIA and RTX. I hope this was helpful. If it was, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.